Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to take a quick look at my FTMO account. As we know, I'm still in a significant drawdown, but every day clawing back to getting back into a profit and obviously starting on to better get some profit splits and returns out of that account. Now I know a lot of people are in a very similar situation where they're either in a challenge phase, verification phase, or funded and then a drawdown. And it really does take a psychological toll, and it really is a sort of mental challenge every day to come back, look at the charts and try and dig you out of that hole. Now, when you're in profits, it's easy. You're always gaining momentum and getting better and better profits, but always in that sort of negative headspace of being in a drawdown, it really starts to weigh and the pressure becomes unbearable. Now, even just a short time ago, probably a week ago, I was even considering stopping this and actually starting another challenge. But then looking at the actual real facts of it, I'm currently now only down about 5% on the account. So if I was to start again, I'd have to do a 10% and a 5%, whereas here I can just sort of focus for, I don't know, a month, 2 months, get that 5%, take it slow, and I'll be back into a fully funded account. And by no means has this been easy, it's been really quite tough. Now, when I sort of hit that big drawdown and obviously went even further into drawdown, that was obviously the rock bottom. I'm now been able to claw back out to over 3% away from where I was. Now that's obviously taking quite a low risk, very small positions, and just building that momentum. And obviously the closer I can get to break even, the bigger positions I can start taking. So rather than risking just 1/4%, I can start expanding out to 0.5% and maybe even up to 1%. And by no means has it been an easy recovery. From when I hit that lowest, I did recover almost to the same point. I hit a bit of a rocky patch and for a couple of days had about a 1.5% drawdown, and then had to refocus, regroup and get back to making those daily profitable trades and getting back into where we are. And even last Friday, it was quite an anxious day, because knowing with FTMO that you cannot hold trades over the weekend, especially on a funded account, it was like, I don't want to get into any trades in the Friday afternoon and then have a position where I'm closing out for a loss. I was just literally sitting there not knowing what to do. So I took the decision then, don't trade in the afternoon, just don't worry about it. Now we've started the week fresh, we can get into some longer trends, hold trades over the night and for multiple days, and therefore get to build a bit of momentum back on the account again. So often Mondays for me start quite slow, but as the week carries on, I get a bit more confidence in the markets and I should be able to make a good return. So this week I'm just looking to try and get probably hopefully 2%. And that will then get me almost that touching distance within another week or 2 weeks being back into profit. And that's my main goal for this month. I'm probably going to dedicate a bit more time to it rather than looking at other accounts, and just really push hard on my FTMO account to get back into funded. So if any of you out there are in the same situation, do let me know in the comments. I'll try and respond to everybody, give a bit more advice and guidance on where I'm trying to focus my attention. But as always, hope you enjoyed today's video and I'll see you again soon. Cheers.